Today we're playing Nerf Gun Tag. So the rule is that whoever's it doesn't get a gun. The guys who we're chasing, they get a Nerf gun. I'm gonna start off being it. If they shoot me, they freeze me for 5 seconds. It's their way to get away. I don't think these kids realize just how fast I am.
He's over here. I don't.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. You're it.
Jeffy!
You're it, Lainey. You gotta run.
I dare you to get next. No, you ain't pushing our base. I know you're not. Get me. Get me, you little Timothy.
One, two. Lightning fast! I'm faster than you think! Come on.
It's right there! Wait, no, you can't do that, Jeff. That's illegal.
Yeah, I can.
That's illegal. Well, if it hits your branch.
If it hits my branch, then I can tag you. You can still run away. Don't forget you can run.
I'm warning you. I shot your arm. Who do you think you are?
Tag, you're it. Laney. Ah. One,
you better go.
Two.
I'm ready to go.
One. Turbocharge!
Gotcha. My side's hurting. I'm gonna have to take a rest. I know.
All right, Lainey, how's the game going so far?
Good.
You feel like you can win?
We're winning.
Yeah.
Or am I gonna win?
I've taken out Jeff so many times. Jeff, we're gonna have to boost that up to like 8 seconds.
I think I might need a gun or something.
No. It's fun. It's fun for us, and that's all that matters.
Yeah, but I need a gun. I'll never get you.
No, you just wait till you get us. Who do you think you are? Smoked! I just smoked!
One.
1 second, my gun's smoked! No.
You're it.
Jeff, my bullet.
I am.
1, 2, 3. You gotta pause for 5 seconds, Lainey. Hey, Lainey. Nanny, nanny, boo, boo, you can't get me. Oh, you got me. I'm it.
I can't find the bullet.
Here, I'll find it, girl. Give me that gun. Hey, wait a minute. I'm supposed to be tagging you. I forgot who was tagging who here. You better run. You better run. Oh, dang.
I saved you, Elena.
Shoot me, bro. Come at me, bro.
No, I'm good.
Ah.
I just smoked you. Hey, no, that don't count.
Who can play at this game?
No, Jeff, stop. I'm serious. I'm serious. Stop. Jeff, I'm serious.
Got him.
No, I'm serious.
I'm coming for you. You better shoot me. Oh. Oh. All right, Tyler did roll his ankle, so He's gonna have to take a break. I don't know what we're gonna do next. All right, guys, we're gonna play some simple tag. I think I'm gonna turn the camera off. Thanks for watching.